Hi, this is a question which came up in CAT 2020, slot 2. This is on geometry, mensuration, triangles and rectangles, etc. Not too difficult. I would suggest pause this video, try to solve this question on your own, and then proceed with the rest of this solution. So this one says the sum of the perimeters of an equilateral triangle and a rectangle is 90 centimeters. Okay. So let's say equilateral triangle. So A, perimeter will be 3 times A. Rectangle, L and B, twice L plus B equals 90. Okay. The area T of the triangle and area R of the rectangle, both in square centimeters, satisfy the relation R is equal to T square. So area of the rectangle is square of the area of the triangle. So root 3 by 4 A square whole square should be equal to R, which is L into B. Okay. If the ratio of the rectangle are in ratio of the sides of the rectangle are in the ratio 1:3, then the length in centimeter of the longer side, I need to find the longer side. So B should be equal to L by 3. So this should be equal to L by 3. Okay. You need to find the longer side. Let's just try to resolve this a little bit before we try to solve this. If I square this, you will get 3 by 16, a to the power 4 equals L square by 3. If I rewrite this, you will get L square will be equal to 9 by 16 a to the power 4. If I rewrite this, you will get L should be equal to 3 times a square by 4, which is same as 3 into a by 2 whole square. Right. The reason why I wrote this in this manner is because I would like to use the options to solve this. Now, let's try to see what it can be. Right. So this is I'm assuming this is going to be a natural number, right? This is going to be a natural number square. Natural number square into 3. So it's a square of a number. It's a perfect square into 3. A perfect square into 3. This is 3 into 7. This is 3 into 6. This is 3 into 8. This is 3 into 9. This should be my first value which I should check. I'm not saying this is the answer, but I can shortlist this by looking at the options. So let's try this. So if I say L is equal to 27, then what will be the value of A? A should be equal to 27 by 3 is 9. 9 square root will be 3. 3 into 2 will be equal to 6. A will be equal to 6. Now, let's see if this satisfies the original relationship. The other relationship is 3 into 6 is 18 plus twice of 27 plus 27 by 3, which is equal to 9. 27 plus 9 is 36. 36 into 2 is 72. 72 plus 18 equals 90. I hit jackpot. Job done. See, if you don't get this, you will basically have to go through all of them. But even with the limited information, I can actually try to estimate the value or smartly try to guess this. Okay, if you have the options, always play with the options. Don't try to back substitute this value into this and try to solve an equation. You're not going to get a gold medal just because you solved an equation. Nobody bothers, right? All they are worried about is whether you got the answer. And the fastest and the most legit way of trying to get this answer is basically try to put the options, and even then smartly put the options. Okay, in an exam situation, about 2 minutes, not too difficult, not too easy also. All right, that completes this particular question.